Hi, this is Noah at screenprintexchange.com. I have a Nespresso fixture so I can recycle and use the grounds to repel ants and bugs away from my house. So I'm going to use a hole saw. And we just push it in. And I'm holding down on this top part, which is like a clamshell while I do it. So, see? Fixture, and you simply put this out. And I'm throwing in a 5-gallon bucket. Later on I will smack out these grounds. See, it's pretty easy, and it comes out, you know, I may put water in there to clean it. I'm going to do one more. Hopefully this is a short, and you could see, close it, and I hold it while I do it, and here's underneath. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment. It stays pretty clean. Depends how far I go down with it. So, there it is. Oops. And we'll just throw them down like nothing. Thank you, subscribe, and watch further videos. Bye.